Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Kaleidoscope. Today I am going to review about Cobra Kai Season 1. So let's start. But many of you have watched the original franchise. Yes, I am talking about the Karate Kid movies. The first one released in 1984, followed by something in 1987, the Karate Kid Part 2, and the Part 3 in 1989. And there was also another sequel, but it didn't start the main character. It was like a spin-off movie. There was also a remake made on 2010, I guess, starring Jackie Chan and Jaden Smith, also titled The Karate Kid, which was the remake of the original Karate Kid Part 1 movie, released in 1984. As a child, I have watched the original Karate Kid movies. It was a bit silly because it premiered on Set Max and Star Gold channels, which was also a Hindi dubbed version. But if you want to get the real flavor of the movies, you can torrent anytime. I'm also sure that many of you have heard the characters about Mr. Miyagi and Daniel San. So Cobra Kai is generally a form of karate and martial arts, but not kung fu. No, there's a difference. Let's throw some light on the summary, a brief one. We see in the opening of the series, Johnny Lawrence, the antagonist of the first Karate Kid film, is living a low-profile life with an estranged son and wife. He cannot move on from his defeat with Daniel LaRusso in the All Valley Karate Championship, followed by his breakup with his girlfriend Ali. In another side of the story, we see Daniel LaRusso, now in his 50s, is living a happy life with his wife Amanda and children Samantha and Anthony LaRussos. He is now a major car seller in the All Valley and has an enterprise named LaRusso Corp. He is living on the standards and ideologies of Mr. Miyagi. As the series progresses, a thread of misunderstandings is created between Johnny and Daniel, which continue to grow, and therefore the distance between them increases. These misunderstandings also causes a rift between the next generations. Now there is an introduction of the character of Miguel, who is a kid in Johnny's neighborhood, who desperately needs to and begs Johnny to teach himself martial arts and karate, such that he could defend himself from the bullies in high school. This is just a brief summary, and if you really want to watch the series, you can always binge on torrent. Yes, the series also brought back the original cast members, as I mentioned earlier, as Ralph Macchino as Daniel LaRusso, William Zabka as Johnny Lawrence, Noriyuki Morita as Mr. Miyagi, only through flashbacks. Well, the secondary cast continues as Courtney Hengler as Amanda LaRusso, Zolo Mariduena as Miguel Diaz, Tanner Buchanan as Robbie Keane, Mary Moser as Samantha LaRusso, Jacob Burton as Eli Moskowitz, or preferably known as Hawk, Gianni DiCenzo as Dimitri, Martin Kove as Johnny Kreese. Oops, spoiler alert. Now there are certainly some things which really fascinated me. First of all, I was really mesmerized by the fact that it paid homage to the original trilogy and also brought back cast members, the original cast members in this show. Secondly, the opening of the series is from the Johnny's perspective, who merely served as an antagonist in the first movie. So it gave Johnny a redemption arc as well as a new sense of purpose. And thirdly, the show did not bring back Mr. Miyagi's character or recasted him or give him a CGI look, because the original actor who played Mr. Miyagi's role died in 2005. So as a symbol of token of respect, he is only brought back through flashbacks. Also, stay tuned for the end of the series. There is a big surprise. Also, as a bonus, I can say that what makes Cobra Kai more interesting than the original franchise is that they are bringing in the families of the main characters in the show. Now that generally creates a family drama, the emotional obstacles which was missing from the original, because in the original film there are only the protagonist and the antagonist, but not many characters were there to fill the void. So basically season 1 of Cobra Kai is the reflection of the original Karate Kid film that is released in 1984, except for the fact that Johnny Lawrence here plays the role of Mr. Miyagi and Miguel Diaz, the main character, plays the role of Daniel LaRusso, who is in desperate need of leadership. Now, only negative point I found in season 1 and the overall series also, because it is constant. The thing is that they gave a sneak peek of the next episode in the current episode itself.
Remember that guy from my high school?
Why don't you tell me?
So season 1 premiered on the YouTube originals on 2018, and it consists of 10 episodes with a runtime on average is 30 minutes. Be sure to watch it and binge it. If you have liked this video, watch it thoroughly, provide your feedbacks, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Also, don't forget to share and follow me in my social media links. Thank you.